Natural gas, full storage, quiet demand, and then move to natural gas because well, it is telling one of the more honest stories on the board right now because two different sides of the market are looking at the same numbers and reaching completely incompatible conclusions. Henry Hub is sitting between $266 and $279 per million BTU this week. It's soft. It's off the 30-day high of 483 and near the 30-day low of 262. And in the same short-term energy outlook the EIA published on Tuesday, the agency flagged something worth considering or sitting with. U.S. natural gas inventories are heading into the winter withdrawal season at their highest level in roughly a decade, and that's a bearish natural gas data point coming straight from the government's own forecasting agency. Now, set that against the demand story the industry's been telling for 18 months. The demand stories that liquefied natural gas exports are ramping. 5 new export projects coming online over the next 18 months, and that data centers running artificial intelligence models are going to pull enormous new volumes of natural gas for the electricity they burn. Some forecasts have data center demand growing by 17 billion cubic feet a day by the mid-2030s. Well, both those stories can be true, and neither is showing up in the current price because storage is at a decade high. Production is at record levels, and export pull, though real and growing, has not yet been enough to tighten the physical market. So which story is the honest one? Which one's real? The answer is that the export demand's real. It's contracted, and it's arriving on a fixed schedule because liquefied natural gas facility, or each liquefied natural gas facility has a construction plan, a customer list that doesn't move around. The data center demand is real too, but it depends on artificial intelligence, capital spending that just took its first serious question mark from Wall Street. And meanwhile, the wellheads keep producing. American producers pulled out 112 billion cubic feet a day on the strongest days this summer. That's more natural gas than any country has ever produced. For your life, this is a piece of the story that matters for your winter heating bill. Natural gas at $275 for delivery this winter is a real number, not a rally that got faded, and the storage inventory backing it up is the highest it has been in a decade. Whatever crude oil price is doing in response to Hormuz, the natural gas piece of your utility bill this winter is looking soft. Not permanently, but coming into the next heating season, the physical natural gas market seems to be well supplied.